Unboxing idioms. Throw a jab in everyday English. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of English idioms, focusing on a particularly punchy one: throw a jab. Whether you're a boxing fan or not, this phrase packs a lot of meaning in everyday English. Let's decode it together and add a knockout punch to your English skills. The phrase, throw a jab, originates from the sport of boxing. In boxing, a jab is a quick, straight punch thrown with the lead hand. It's used for both offense and defense, to test an opponent's defenses or to keep them at bay. But in everyday English, this phrase takes on a metaphorical meaning. When someone says they're going to throw a jab in a conversation or situation, it usually means they're making a quick, pointed comment or criticism. It's not as heavy or hurtful as a full-blown argument. Think of it as a light, tactical move in the conversation. To better understand, throw a jab, let's look at some examples. 1. Workplace scenario. Imagine a meeting where one colleague subtly criticizes another's idea. They might be throwing a jab to test the idea's strength or to subtly assert their own viewpoint. 2. Friendly banter. Friends often throw jabs at each other in a playful manner. It's a way of teasing without causing real offense, like a light, friendly punch on the shoulder. 3. Political debates. Politicians are known for throwing jabs at their opponents. Quick, clever remarks meant to unsettle the other person or score points with the audience. Understanding the context is key. A jab in a friendly conversation has a different tone than one in a heated debate. To use this phrase effectively, remember these tips. Be aware of the tone. Your tone should match the situation. Playful and light in casual settings, more pointed and strategic in serious discussions. Know your audience. Make sure the person you're speaking with understands and appreciates this kind of language play. Use it sparingly, like in boxing. A jab is effective when used at the right moment. Overusing it can make conversations seem aggressive. And there you have it. Now you know how to throw a jab in English conversations. Remember, it's all about the context and delivery. Use this phrase to add a bit of playful punch to your English, but always be mindful of the situation and the people you're talking with. Hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be a linguistic heavyweight in no time.